Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce for seafood boil. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 5 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a few cloves of fresh garlic, salt, and black pepper. Having everything ready and at room temperature will make the process much smoother and ensure a perfectly creamy sauce for your delicious seafood. Now let's start cooking. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add 3 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Next, slowly whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream, stirring continuously until it reaches a gentle simmer. This slow addition helps prevent the sauce from breaking. The next step is crucial for that rich, creamy texture. Gradually add 5 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese to the simmering cream, whisking constantly until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens to your preferred consistency. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to taste. Remember, the cheese adds saltiness, so taste before adding too much. This creates a perfectly balanced flavor. Your delicious homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready to elevate your seafood boil. Generously pour the warm, creamy sauce over your cooked seafood, ensuring every piece is coated. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a final sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. It truly transforms the dish into something special. Also, if you're looking for great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.